Some women and even some men are endlessly chasing the fountain of youth.
Yeah, well, a lot of people turn to Botox to smooth out some of those wrinkles. There are other alternatives that could be better even for your skin. So let's talk more about it. Joining us now on the show is Dr. Bushra Helmandi, owner of Beauty and Body Aesthetics. Nice to have all of you here on the show.
Hi, thank you for having us.
Well, so it looks like there's some kind of procedure going on there, but we want to jump in and talk about Botox first, because some people hear the word and immediately think of frozen faces or somebody not being able to smile. Why do you think Botox gets such a bad rap?
So I think people often confuse other treatments for Botox treatments. Botox itself is a wrinkle relaxer. And so I think it's important to understand that people's bodies do metabolize it at a different rate. And so if you're a first-time, user for Botox, then maybe go to somebody who's a trusted injector and start off conservatively.
Okay, so we know that there are some alternatives out there. Would you say, and we'll go over those in just a minute, but would you say those are safer?
I think every treatment does have its own contraindications. So, based upon consultation, then people sit down and talk about, your health history and make sure that the treatment is aligned with your health.
Well, so let's talk about the first one you have. It's a Diamond Glow Facial. What is that and who's it for?
Yes, so the Diamond Glow Facial is something that is appropriate for just about everybody. It's perfect for this time of year. It exfoliates the skin with a diamond grit tip. It extracts, and then it infuses Skin Medica products back in for that nice dewy, glowy finish.
Is that what's going on right there behind you?
And that's what's happening right behind me. So we have our model, Jennifer, receiving it, and it's a very feel-good treatment, especially for the colder winter months.
Yeah, she looks very relaxed.
I'd like to be laying there.
Right. Okay, so next up is the Aqua Gold Micro Needling Facial. What does that do and what is it?
So Aqua Gold, they're small vials, and we have gold-plated needles attached. So it's a cocktail that goes into these vials. Typically, that cocktail is vitamin C, Botox, and perhaps a little bit of filler. And so the alternative to Botox here is that people see the results almost immediately. And so Botox does take some time, a week or two, to see the visible results. And with Aqua Gold, the nice thing is if you have any impromptu plans or a reunion or a date that just comes up, it's a nice treatment as an alternative that gives you visible results quickly.
Well, so I know there are a couple of different alternatives, and another one to Botox is the Secret Pro treatment. What is that about?
The Secret Pro, so that is a little bit of comparing apples to oranges. The Secret Pro is a device, and it offers two treatments, the CO2 skin resurfacing treatment, as well as the microneedling with radiofrequency technology. And so those treatments typically focus on cell turnover and collagen production so that people have tighter skin, reduces acne scarring, and it helps with texture.
Probably. Does it also help with like hyperpigmentation or something like that?
That particular treatment doesn't help with hyperpigmentation, but there are other laser facials that do.
Okay. So finally, something called laser genesis. What is that?
Yes, so laser genesis is another fan favorite because there's no downtime, no needles. It gives people a little bit of a warming sensation during the treatment, and it helps with decreasing pore size, rosacea. The device also actually helps with hyperpigmentation through IPL. So that is another device that people can use for sunspots and rosacea and redness.
Let's talk real fast about the cost of some of these, or at least the range.
Yes, so the treatments do vary anywhere between $200 to $3,000, depending on the desired outcome the person's looking for. So what we do in our office is we do offer complimentary consultations, and then we do have a very affordable monthly membership program that's $299 a month, and it includes one treatment of choice when it comes to facials and one treatment of choice when it comes to massage.
Great.
All right. Well, Doctor, thank you so much for joining us today. We appreciate your time.
Thank you for having us.
All right, and if you would like more information about these treatments or any other wellness services, visit beautyandbodynyc.com.